Hi, this is Kavita Ramesh, working as Assistant Professor, Faculty of Management, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, Ramapuram. In this session, we are going to discuss understanding groups and group development. Groups or teams are fundamental to human interaction. They drive productivity and innovation. Groups are essential for problem solving, innovation, and social connection. Effective group dynamics always enhance outcomes significantly. Now, what is group dynamics? Group dynamics is the separate study or use of the processes involved when people in a group interact. So, exploring the dynamics, group development stages, and effectiveness of teams is crucial for both organizational and individual success. The Harvard Business Review highlights that a significant 70% of organizational initiatives often falter due to inadequate group execution. So, understanding groups and group development is very important in organization. Now, we will see what is group. When two or more people interact and depend on each other is called as group. And groups unite to achieve specific goals. Group members share a sense of identity. Their roles are usually defined. Now, we will understand the types of groups. There are 5 types of groups: formal groups, informal groups, command groups, task groups, interest groups. First one is formal groups. Formal groups are defined by the organization's structure, organization's hierarchy. For example, marketing department, a team in a marketing department, a team in a finance department, a team in a product department, a team in a HR department, we can say. Second one is informal groups. Informal groups are naturally arising from shared interest. When a company running a club is called as informal group. Thirdly, command groups. It is based on their reporting relationships. A manager and their direct reports is called as command group. Fourthly, task groups. Task groups are formed to complete specific jobs. For example, cross-functional project team can be formed. This is task group. Lastly, interest groups. Interest groups share a specific objective. For example, union members. We can say union members are coming under interest groups because union members are always seeking a pay rise or they are seeking for the redressal or collective bargaining. Next, we will discuss the group development model. Tuckman developed group development stages. He first developed in 1965 and then he expanded in 1977. This model has 5 sequential stages. This helps to predict team behavior. It also assists in managing transitions. Not all groups follow all stages strictly. The 5 stages are forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Now we will discuss each stage in detail. Stage 1, forming. This is the initial stage which is marked by uncertainty. So members in this stage act politely and they test their boundaries. The focus in this stage is on understanding purpose, roles, and expectations. Initial introductions are common. Conflict is usually low. Example, the first meeting of a new project team. Members will always introduce themselves and learn about their project goals. Now, stage 2, storming. This stage involves conflict. So, members resist control in the stage. Power struggles may emerge. Differing opinions are addressed. Behaviors include disagreements. Communication breakdowns can occur. Competition might arise. Leadership is challenged here. Example, in this stage, the team always debates its roles and responsibilities. They discuss budget allocation or project approach. Stage 3, norming stage. Here, members of group are united. Cohesion begins to develop in the stage. Roles become clearer, shared goals emerge, trust and respect grow. The focus of this group is on developing group norms, the unwritten rules and expectations which guide how group members should behave, called as group norms. So, they are developing group norms in this stage. Collaboration increases, conflict resolution skills improve, rules are established here. For example, the team creates a shared communication plan. They agree on a clear decision-making process. Stage 4 is performing stage. So, obviously, here high productivity, effective problem solving, autonomy will be there. Their focus is on achieving objectives efficiently and effectively. Example, the team consistently delivers high quality work on schedule. Last stage, adjourning stage. In this stage, task will be completed, group dissolution is there, emotional closure is there, recognizing achievements, transitioning members to new roles. So here they are temporarily closing the team. So example, in adjourning stage, a project wrap-up meeting we can say, celebration of success meet we can say, team disbands we can say. Now, strategies for effective group development. There are 4 strategies. First one, facilitate norm setting. So in a group, they proactively co-create ground rules and expectations early in the group's formation to establish a clearer framework for their interaction. This is the first one, facilitating norm setting. Second one, mediate conflict constructively. So equip the group with the tools and process for healthy disagreement resolution, transforming conflict into opportunities for growth here. Third, foster trust and cohesion. Implement team building activities and celebrate small wins to strengthen interpersonal bonds and reinforce a sense of collective identity. Next, provide continuous feedback. Establish mechanisms for regular reviews of both process and performance. Ensure ongoing learning and adaptation. So So, understanding the stages of group development is crucial for building resilient, productive teams and consistently achieving superior results. Now, conclusion. Groups play a vital role in achieving organizational and personal goals. Groups are the bedrock of organizational performance and individual well-being. Understanding group dynamics is mandatory for effective leadership and collaboration. So, well-managed groups can always achieve outcomes far exceeding individual efforts. So, I conclude this session with Henry Ford's famous phrase, coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Thank you. Thank you once again for your patient listening.